that was set for this. Things will be so we start this. Very interesting. No, what I talked about doesn't I guess the video so what's it happening? You on that second stupid man now. Me. There's nothing for party, just say no go fatalism, and then for them to support her. We talk many things, and the pastor will go carry come, and the pastor will say na stop this na apple na this na that you don't take for them that time now you don't come back again and say the praise and say this and this. To show say yes they use and they state people they do quality and they use their head for the way they like. And then my brother, my sister, anybody when you say me use his head, now you will feel use. Anybody when you say no, use the head, because where I mean, they show this video, the video and they show so the thing because somebody knows the and I go punish her, I bet to my boy. And I mean talk on, I go punish her, I go work for her because you know say no, they just give power for me, they use anyhow. Because when enter power, now what is do for Eto might not do anything now for him to come increase our school fees. Now he can't do for Eto one business. Some people come they drop for school, they not feel meet up again because of the money too big. Now go punish her, you know where for her. Anyway when they go now problem you want to see, you never see anything. But me I dey use this opportunity, they come and make Obaseki no lose guard for anybody when business say na he know who he be or whatever he dey do or whatever he carry, may not lose guard for them, may not know himself down for them. Now he be the governor of Edo State, they need to give her the normal respect as a governor of Edo State. But anybody when refuse to give her the respect, may do am wetin he no believe for his life. Wetin he first do, I give a hand for. If I even kill them, kiss on, nothing go happen. He go kiss on because I dey no wan use their brain. He go kiss on so that the rest will get sent. Not be say they even shoot people for their hand. If I kiss on, for them to go attack the governor because say Oshomole they give them mind, go attack the governor. If I even kiss on so that they will get sense because the youth. Some of the youth of Edo State, they don't get sense. Their sense don't lost because of 2000 era. If they don't smoke it, don't finish. Their brain don't turn anything where they like that they do. If we even kiss on so that the rest people will get sense. Next time they will know the meaning of governor of Edo State. They don't know the meaning of governor, not only Edo State, the governor of anything concerning governor, they will know the meaning. Because you know if you say your junk can't tire. Even at the Oshomole they go track or they don't attack like that, Oshomole will kill someone when he take the governor that time. And from this place forward, may they use the opportunity they tell my village people to come to depart. Say if they be saying that APC that may they depart go, may they enter PDP so that may they vote for Obaseki, may go for the second turn. Because person no feel the judge did that they use our head. It's not good. It's very bad because many people just they say without them nothing will feel happen. But they don't forget say tomorrow they feel sleep, they don't feel wake up. They just say and they get the power for this life and with this man very irrelevant things. And they think see how someone they use power that time. Now they say not be Agbero power with it again and all of them they verse. For example, if you will they think pastor when you say pastor, If they come on stage, come the campaign, they curse, they insult. For example, as a pastor, say, I don't say I don't support and say why he buy say one contest as a governor. No, but if you want to do politics as a man of God, you play your role as a man of God. Not be say they pack cuttings, pack ugly, follow body. You even they insult, they talk, and then you call yourself pastor. You are not a pastor. You are just looking for something. The offering never do for, it never reach you, and in our government money you want on the chop now. Shey, na government money you want for the chop. We won't be Edo State that beg. I think now the youth be the problem of Edo State. The youth, I see they talking. Now see what you not good because they don't give you 2,000 make you hire yourself. You just they can. Do you know that to even say yes, happiness this state is very good? One, the market swim our mother no dey compare again about ticket. They don't dey compare say they don't destroy our things. You know the year say your mother don't tell you say wetin I carry go market today, they don't destroy. If you know that one self, you're supposed to be happy and make that man to go for the second turn again to complete in 8 years. When Oshomo get the power, say yes, he dey try for some praise, say yes, he dey. My brother, many things. Okay, which worker will come out again and say, and Edo State dey hold am 7 months salary, 6 months salary, even 8 months salary. Which worker will come out, state worker will come and say that they hold am 7 months. Or any personnel when you will come and say since 8 months and they never pay them, they will go they gather for government house say they must pay today, they call the cost problem. You don't hear since 4 years now. It's settled of all of them. All those things na be work. You know me say you must contact everywhere before you know say you work. If you see settle your people, you settle all your people, you are working. Your people they happy, they don't they complain, no problem. They well, they like what they see. I don't want to be work. You know me say you must create everywhere say before you work. At least after it's free use 4 years to settle all those things come off for ground. The next 1 year, if you still and work on that thing to fulfill Edo State, not be able to give out to the maybe who they do good, who they invest, invest put for ground when you go favor your children tomorrow, then be better something. Me I don't understand though this kind of brain they use when we see some people they will see they follow wetin not good. Okay, for example, me I know say I not dey Nigeria, but at least what I dey hear about this man Obaseki is doing well and he make our people, our mother, our father, they are happy. No more fights, no more ticket fights, no more agbero, no more power. They use power anyhow. That time I did in Nigeria, if I go Benin, I'll see they destroy. I'll see who be all this one. They'll see at the Kabaka boys and then they destroy that place. Why? Because of power, the small power they give them. All those things not they happen again. I don't know verse. They name the verse. I been life not they happen for those state again. Why will we not feel use our sense to do this thing to support wetin good? Obaseki, me and they support you. Any action when you want to take as a governor, you are the governor of Edo State. Nobody should tell you what to do. You take action and make sure you go for the second turn. Not leave am for anybody. Any power you can use to go for the second turn to make your 8th year complete. My brother, use the power. Use the power. If you can even knock out the whole APC till the election over, lock them up, let them be there so that they cannot come outside again. Because one person cannot come out for anywhere to say you want to be father of Edo, the full Edo State. Do you know what Edo State belongs to? Edo State is a state that people know say yes, that state they get mount. Not be one person who just talk say na he be the father of the place. It can never be happen. It can never happen. We will not give that chance. With the Edo State youth, we will not give that chance to that person that will say he will come out from nowhere and come out be a father for the whole state. No. Me, I have my father, you have your father. when it's your time, rule anyhow when you like. We don't get problem. You rule for 8 years, you dey give many law, but now another person wan rule now because he no carry you as a godfather. The law when you first put sef, you wan come dey break the law now and wan come dey preach for us say because we no go school. My brother, if you no take time, na God go punish you. You no go last reach next year. If you no do Osomole, na you I dey talk to, na God go punish you if you no take time. Because you now, you hold up too much for Edo State to make our boys dey suffer, our guests dey suffer, our youth dey suffer, our mama and papa dey suffer. Because now, if you Bismail Obaseki kill all those people or one of these people die, we can never do anything about that issue. Look at that man that they finish the whole leg. That one can never work for his life. He'll be a cripple, but he will not do anything about it because they will not have sense to even understand all those things. People are just losing their life because say they want to support one person. Just dey Nigeria there, they do anyhow. Come Europe, come see where children dey hustle. See Europe. You know this, if you are a 70 year, you cannot contest as any power self. Now youth get mad. But what of Edo State? Youth nobody even talk self. Youth not get voice. And they use us, they fight because we be animal when they fight. Now they know us for. Edo State youth. They pity you now. Not be all of you now. Some of you now know what's good. Now the one we know one year at all. See that boy when they say is they shoot me from hand. Now I know the boy. Now those people boys. See, I don't smoke finish. Don't drink, don't smoke. I no be care I take go there because why I don't hide. I know out there. Now those people boys and this person, they mention their name. I take know them. If you not be bad person, I go no bad person. Make thunder fire on us, and no one use our brain for anything when they do. Osomole children, they one side they enjoy themselves. There is Jamu children, they one side they enjoy themselves. You can never see them say now they don't come fight for their father. But you did there, your mother they suffer for village, they suffer for where you did. You did there, go they kill yourself for the man. After you win finish, you did on your own. Even the drive motor and dead your mates when you join the fight self, they will still hold you, they'll seize your motor because of ticket. And I don't get sense. I just tell you me not use some of them, I mean not use in our brain. Me not they lost in our life for somebody when you don't give value. Also when they save for their parents, they save for their born children. They save for their children, they save for their grandchildren, and they kill themselves for them. Come on, 500,000, you can never even both say you get, but you get to kill yourself for all those someone don't save billions of naira for their born children. I pity you now. I just not only that one, because we are meaning to we are here to do some videos so that people can see, you can share with these people so that they will see our video. Me, I'm not afraid of anybody, but I'm just respecting as a leaders. If not be for me to talk to the old leaders for Nigeria, I'm not afraid to do it, but I'm just respecting. Why? Because he's a leader. But now those states want make me lose my temper because they are not respecting our governor. They talk to our governor anyhow. They talk any relevancy to our governor. Governor of Edo State is not just a governor, it's a governor of Edo State. You people should know that in your head. They are talking to governor of Edo State anyhow because you have fun, little change. You see children, because somebody don't give them mind, they will come to talk to governor of Edo State. Who give you the order? Who give you the mind? The person that can lock you, you will not come out for how many years? You are insulting the person. Obaseki, you are the governor of Edo State. Take a position. Don't leave it for anybody. Support